Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Muhammad FARHAN bin Ahmad TAGUDIN. My matric number is 2024903019. Today I will present about flower management system. The flower management system, which is we can add the flower, remove the flower, we can search the flower, display, and total up the sum of the price of flower in a list. Then we copy the flower in the data to a linked list. Okay. So our assignment will cover the array list and linked list. Then definition of a array list is array list is a resizable order collection of element in Java which allow for dynamic modification of its size. Unlike traditional array, whose size is fixed and collection, and array list can grow or shrink as elements are added or removed. It's part of the Java collection framework and is implemented in the java.rt package. Then we have linked list. Linked list. A linked list is a linear data structure where elements known as nodes are stored in a sequence. Each node contains two parts. Data. First, the data. The actual value of information stored in the node. Second, reference or link. A reference or pointer that point the next node in the sequence. A linked list is each node points only to the next node. This in a doubly linked list, each node points to both and the previous nodes. Okay. Then we have a program testing. We have four classes, which is flower management system, flower array list, and flower linked list. So we must do a class for flower first, which is we must declare the class flower and their attribute, which is name, color, and price. This is a normal constructor and getter. This is getter, and this is the method to string. Next, we have an array list. Array list is the flower that we want to insert the array flower in array list. So we must declare the array list function. Then we have method in array list, which is add flower, remove flower, find flower, display flower, and to calculate the sum of flower, we have calculate sum, calculate average, find minimum price flower, find max price flower, and array list function get flower list. Then we have a flower linked list. Flower linked list, we must declare a class for flower linked list, then declare a linked list. In this linked list, I just have two method, which is copy from array list and display flowers. And we do all calculation at the array list, then we copy and copy data from array list to linked list. Then let's look at the main app, which is flower management system. This is which we must declare, which in to combine the array list and linked list in the main app. So we use do function, and we use a menu, which is flower management system, add flower, remove flower, and display like this. And this choice I declare choice that when the user input the data with choice, and the choice will do a switch function. They have many function, which is they have 1 to 10, 1 to 11, sorry, 1 to 11 function. Then in the function we want to add flower into array list. We we must use the string name to and Java of champagne enter flower name. Then the name will insert into attribute name such as like as color and price string. And then if successful, the flower will the message dialog will look like this: flower added successfully. If error, invalid price, and please enter a numeric value. Then we have case 2 for the remove flower. If if we want to remove the flower and we from the array list, we have to like the input name, but we change a little bit, which is Java of champagne, and the dialog will show enter flower name to remove, and array list will search if name equal to name want to remove, and image mesh, so the flower remove. If S, flower not found. Okay, then we have case 3, which is we want to find the flower. If the flower, we want to find the flower, we at array list, we must do flower dot array list dot find flower and find name. We casting find name ni. Then if the flower is fine, so the output will be found. If the flower not found, the output will be like this: flower not found. The dialog. Okay. If the user want to display flower at in a release, so we flower array list dot display flower, and the dialog will be like this: flower display in console that the flower in the array list just now. Then case 5, we have total price. If the user input many flowers, then we want to know about the total price. We click case number 5, and the system will calculate the total price, which is the use of method calculate sum. Then case 6, we have average price of flowers. Same like calculate sum, we use calculate average. So case 7, we have flower. Case 7 is for the we want to find a minimum price for flowers. If user input the minimum price, the the system will come out with like this, and the data will come out. And if null, if the user have removed and no, the dialog will be no flower in its inventory. Same like 8, we want to search map price flower. And 9, we want to copy the flower at a list to linked list. Then lastly, case 10, which the display of the flower in the linked list. If the users have a case 11, it is a exit function. The user will stop, and the default is the user choose the invalid, that the number uh, other number except for 1 until 10, 1 until 11. The message will go like this: invalid choice and please start again. Now let us try run the coding first. So this is a menu. If the user click run, and the menu will be like this. F- We want user want to if the user want to add, input must be one, and click OK, and the input the user need to enter the flower name such as rose, and OK, and flower color which is red, OK, and flower price 12. OK. After the user input, then the message will going out like this: flower added successfully. Okay, such as we have three flower to add. Then we add again. We choose one, which is lily, one yellow, uh, and price 13, I guess. Okay. Then the flower added successfully. And lastly, we want to add again, such as rose, and color will be yellow, and price will be 14. Okay, flower. Okay. If the flower, if the user want to remove one of the flower, the user need to choose two. Okay, we just create a two, then the prompt ask the user to insert the flower name such as lily, and okay, flower remove. The message will go out like this: flower remove. Okay. If the user want to find a flower, the user just create a tree, enter the tree, and the flower name will be rose. Okay, flower name has look at the ni flower name found, and flower name rose, color red, price 12. Okay. Then the user want to see how much flower that have insert. So the user just click 4, and okay, that the flower display in console. So the flower is a flower which is has two, which is flower rose, but color is different. Have red one, yellow one. The price is 12 and 14. Okay. Next is okay. So after the user have uh, the user want to know the total price of the flower, the user must create 5, and okay. So see the total flower, the price of the flower is 26. We calculate that is true. The flower is 26. Okay, next we have a average price. So we create 6, and okay, and average price is 13. If we want to prove is 26 by its count is 2. 26 divided by 2 is 13. Okay. Next we have find minimum flower price flower. Okay, we click 7, and okay. Okay, the minimum price flower is rose, name rose, color red, and price 12. Okay. Next we move on the maximum. Maximum. The maximum flower is displayed as name rose, color yellow, and price 14. Okay. Now we want to move data from array list to linked list. So the user just enter number 9, and see the message show that flower copy to linked list. Okay. Then we want to make sure the data is has copy and move to linked list, then we will show this the user just need click 10. Okay, now the linked list flower display in console. So this look like this. Linked list flower have two, which is flower name rose color red price 12, and last is rose yellow and 14. Okay, after the user have done all the input of have done and want to exit, the user must create a 11 and the program will exit. So there is no the input and okay, that's all from me. Thank you.